In this video, you will learn how to record day-to-day transactions in Tally. So I'll show you how to record the following transactions. This lecture is continuation of the exercise which I gave you in the previous section. So before we proceed to record these entries, let's check if we have entered everything properly or not. In the exercise, you were asked to create some ledgers with its opening balance. So to check whether everything is okay or not, you need to check the trial balance of your company. To check the trial balance, navigate to the display option over here and press enter, and select trial balance and press enter. So you can see that the final total is 2,60,000, which is matching on both debit side and credit side. And in order to check the balance ledger wise, press the F5 key. So this is how your solution should look like. We will further check the profit and loss statement and balance sheet report as well. To do so, press the escape key until you reach the gateway of Tally, and we will first check profit and loss statement. So go to profit and loss account and press enter. Now press Alt F1 to expand the details. So this is the profit and loss statement from 1st April to 1st June. So you can see that all the relevant ledgers for profit and loss statement are updated over here. Now let's check the balance sheet report. Press the escape key and select balance sheet and press Alt F1 to expand the details. So this is the balance sheet report as on 1st of June 2019. If you are unable to view closing stock information, then press the F11 key and set the option maintain accounts only to yes. And after changing that option, press Ctrl A, and after that you would be able to see the closing stock information. Now to record the day-to-day transactions, I am going to use the same company. I want you to remember this information in balance sheet report and in profit and loss statement, because as and when I record the entries, that information will be updated. So the objective of this section is to make you aware of Tally's environment as to how you record entries in Tally and how information gets updated and how to read the same. Now let's proceed to record the entries.